Why you need this course and should start using Steemit. The short answer is that you have nothing to lose. It's 100% free to join and you can actually get paid for your work. Unless you are a professional writer, you are nothing going to find this kind of action anywhere else. Also, Steemit is growing at an explosive pace. Hundreds of new users are flogging in every single day, and even though it's only been around for a few years, it's already become one of the top 5 digital currencies in terms of marketed capitalization. Get paid for your content now. Hi, my name is Arnold, and I'm going to teach you about Steemit. So, what is Steemit? Steemit is a social network that looks and functions a lot like Reddit, but with one huge difference. Steemit pays both the content creator when their work gets upvoted, as well as the people who curate the best content on the site by upvoting other works. This is possible because the Steemit platform is built on top of a new kind of digital currency. Think Bitcoins, which is another kind of digital currency that has been around for a while. Every day, new units of the currency are created by the network and distributed to its users, who can exchange these digital currency units for an actual real money. And it doesn't cost a dime to get started. You can create a Steemit user account for free right now and be publishing your content directly to the site within minutes using Steemit's built-in blogging publishing tools. If you are skeptical at this point, I get it, I was too, but it's definitely the real deal. How does Steemit works? In some way, Steemit is similar to other digital currencies. For example, Steemit currency unit can be traded, bought and sold on the open market just like all of the other digital currencies with other cryptocurrencies like bitcoins. The actual currency units that are created each day are distributed to the people who run a special Bitcoin software program on their computer that performs a process called Bitcoin mining. The amount of computing power you have dedicated, how much money you can get. Steemit allowed for currencies mining as well, but it's not the primary way to earn money. Every day, new Steemit currency units that are created by the network and distributed to the people who are engaged with the site. The more you engage, the more you get. People who create content are rewarded for their content. People who upvote content are rewarded for helping to create the best content available on the site. Commenters who edit the discussions are paid too. So, let's dive in. I will show you how it all works.